Snelgrove, Global Head of Engineering for STADA Group. Within our company, it's about flexibility, agility, and getting product to market when it's needed. Within the manufacturing realm where I work, there's challenges. So equipment, processes, new technologies, we need to bring everything together and find a common solution that meets those needs. And I think that's our challenge right now as a business, and I think as an industry. The development and the future requirements are what we're now striving to achieve, where we've been in an industry that tends to be a little bit risk averse. So we now need to take those challenges on, because also the marketplace is changing in how the customer base is reacting to their, and us reacting to their needs. So I think there's a big challenge ahead for us. Digitalization and that journey is a very new thing for our business. So we're now coming into that area of digitization, digitize, and Industry 4.0, and all the key words. So we're in a process right now of really understanding what data we need to drive business decisions. And then we'll go to the front end of the process to then design in capability, tools, techniques, software applications to acquire the data and then visualize that data in a meaningful way, that we don't go and grab all the data we don't need. What do we need to make a decision? So we're in the early stages of that, but we're also within Europe really pushing hard with some of the new technologies for unified namespace. And we've got a very, very good partner that we work with, in where we're actually disrupting the Industry 4.0 methodology, where we've taken the standard automation IT stack, which is vertical for vertical integration of data, dropping it on its side, and then we have parallel access to all of our data, and we can actually move that data around our factories. So we're developing a data hub to move data across all systems, equipments, around our factories to any level that it's required. And I think that's one of our advantages, coming into technology later probably than some of the other companies, that we can now adopt those new methodologies and new ways of doing things, and we're not trying to retrospectively change our digital approach to the new technologies. So I think we're benefiting from the years that many of the other factories and the other companies have worked with digitalization. We can learn from them and move faster. I think the MES and digitalization, that journey, and we listen to 3 or 4 what we call originators, so the Mercks and the Bayers and the Eli Lillys, and they've gone on a phenomenal journey in digitalization. So listening to their experiences, the areas that they said that they really needed to concentrate on, some of the issues that they experienced, we can now take away, and we can actually think about what we're doing and take in some of that industry knowledge to say we need to have a look at these areas before we progress too fast. We've connected with many companies here. Some we already know, so that's very, very good. We could reconnect because we may not have bought equipment from them or services recently. So it's very, very good opportunity in a nice environment to connect and talk about some of the seminars, because they attend some of those. But we've also seen some new companies as well. So there's Optimal, who are one of your sponsors, I believe, of one of the sessions, and they were certainly in the MES and the continuous manufacture. We're looking to develop a relationship with those guys, with PAT, and how we can look at continuous manufacture, which is a really interesting subject. There's IN2, which are the printing technology. Again, it's an area that our business is looking at, and how we can bring new technologies or different technologies to what we already do. So it's been very, very good to connect with existing or previous, but also to see what new things people are bringing out. And it's a nice environment and a relaxed environment where you can spend an amount of time understanding that.